families, you're welcome back. So today I want to share more tips on how you can earn on Amma, which is a live streaming platform I talked about in my previous video. So I will be sharing with you ways you can actually earn from that app, how you can maximize your earnings from that app. Like I said that I will be running the app actually, and whatsoever be my experience, I will let you guys know. So I am here this morning to actually show you how it works. So let me walk you through on how to go about it. So guys, let's go ahead. So as you all know, this is the interface of the app, which is AMAR Live Streaming app. If this is your first time of watching this video, please calm down and not rush to download the app. You need to calm down and let me explain everything to you. If you have not watched my previous video concerning this app, do well to watch the video concerning the app to actually get it, because I explain extensively what this app is all about. Okay, so now this is the quick update about this app. As I have said that I'll be coming to show you guys whatsoever be my experience on this app. So now this is the interface, okay, of this app. Now the first 4 days of you running this app, you'll be receiving messages back to back, back to back. But after your fourth day, the message will reduce, and after 7 days the message will reduce even more. Okay, and that is why you need to gather up fast and take this app seriously. I have a message now, as you can see. So that is why you need to level up fast. As soon, look at countdown. Okay, you can see the countdown. Okay, let me take it back so you see the countdown. Can you see this countdown? Okay, reply in 96 seconds, 95 seconds, 94 seconds. So that is how your time will be counting, except you reply it fast. If you delay in replying, instead of them giving you 16 diamond, they can give you 14 diamond or even less. Okay, so I'll just click this random message. I don't have time to type, so I'll just click this random message to get my 16 diamond. So as I was saying, you need to come online on this platform often and often so that you can gather up, because that is your newbie bonus, to be receiving 16 diamond at every message. After, sorry guys, after your 7 days, you're not going to be receiving 16 diamond again, and the chat set will even reduce, because you see all those guys that are chatting you, they are chatting you with their money. If they don't rechat, they cannot chat you, and that is why you will notice that a guy will chat you, then you will reply, and then the guy will not chat you again, because you're not the only lady on this platform. Okay, so how guys make money here is they make money through playing games, through gambling, and through gifting themselves. Okay, and anytime a guy message you, the guy is messaging you with their money, and they are not earning anything. Okay, so you need to come online often and often here. I'm not even coming online often and often here, and that is why I'm not even gathering so much for myself, because like I said, I am trying other apps, other websites to bring to you guys on how to make money online. And I have work also that I do. But if actually you want to make this as a side hustle for yourself, you need to be very serious. In fact, I think I need to get serious with this app now, but it's not my fault. so so that is the first update. You need to come online often and often here so that you can gather up before your 7 days elapses. Okay, before your 7 days elapse. So that is it. Then another thing is that, now let me take you to my profile. Now if you check my previous video, you see this fan, follow and gift. My fan, I have 9 fan, I have 10 people that I follow, and then I have been gifted 9 gifts on this platform. Like, now for you to video call, okay, let me take you back, sorry guys. Now you see this icon here, that's the video call icon. Okay, so you need to, if really you want to make money from this platform, they need to call you, you need to video call, you need to receive calls to actually maximize your earnings here. And you can't video call if you don't reach level 10. You cannot video call. And how do you video call? How do you reach level 10? Is by you coming online to receive calls, because every time you are receiving, messages, and you are fast, it help you level up. Okay, and then you need to have fun. Look at my fan, 9. Look at my follow, people I follow, 10. And look at the gift I have received, 9 gifts. And this will help me to level up as fast as possible. Okay? So now, how do you get people to follow you, to fan you? Because it's not really, really easy, because everybody here are struggling for their fan. And that is why I will take you to this particular place called Room. Okay? This place where this arrow is pointing to now, Room. Okay? So this is how I got my fan to level up. I've left level 0 to level 1. I'm in level 2. And I think I'm not more in level 2 again. I will check. So now you're going to click this Room. You click on Room. In fact, last night I was trying to make this video for you people, but my recording stopped. I don't know that my recording stopped, and I keep saying things like I thought my this thing is still recording. So you see all those people here now, they are doing party. Yeah, as you can see, plus 12. 12 people are in the room, 3 people are in this one's room. You can see. So you need to room. Now you see this create room. You need to be hosting party. But until you reach, okay, let's click it. You can see until I have number of followers like 10, I have fan people like 10, I cannot create room. Then my wealth level must be 5. I must reach level 5 to host a party. And then my charm level, I must reach level 5, and I'm on level 2. My fan, I must have people to fan me like 10, and I have 9. And then my wealth level is still 0. So that is why I cannot create room for now, okay, to host a party. But how did I get my fan? Okay, so I got people to fan me by joining people's live streaming. Okay, so I joined people's live streaming so that I can get fan. I'm actually looking for a particular girl that I join her room. Like, that girl was so good. She was so good. I wish I can see her. Name is Cynthia. I wish I can see her. But nevertheless, you can actually join any room. Okay. So I joined her room and I told them I am new here. I told them I'm new here. I don't know if I want to join a particular room now. This video might cut. Okay, but let me just try. Let me click on this black girl here. Let me join. So you will join a room. Okay. I hope this is still recording. So this is it now. I will take my seat. Okay, I will take my seat. Let me take a seat. Click the plus icon. I decided to take a seat, but anytime you want to take a seat, you cannot screen record there because there will be no sound. Okay, so you will just take a room. I have a message to reply to. So you will just take a seat, okay? And then you welcome people, like you tell them you are new here and they welcome you. And then you tell them, please follow me and I'll follow you too. And there is no how you said that kind of a thing in a particular room that people will not get to follow you, okay? People will definitely follow you, okay? People will follow you. So that is how it is. That is how you can gather fans for yourself, okay? Then another thing here is that for you to earn in this place, you must gamble. Okay, you gift yourself. You gamble so that your level of wealth can increase, so that you can actually wrap up, so that you can start your own party, live stream, and do some other things. Okay, I just claim my 16 coins now. But unlike before, if you actually notice my previous video, like I can actually record like this for you guys and then I will not be disturbed. Like I almost get distracted from that video because a lot of chats were coming. But this one now, chat actually reduced. So that is to tell you that The more you spend on this platform, the older you become, and then the lesser your diamond. Okay, so and this thing is not expensive. There are coins is not expensive. I bought like 300 coins, and then they gave me 30 coins bonus, and then I spent like 750. Yes, I spent 750 to recharge. Okay, I spent 750 to recharge, and then I use that 750 to play game, and I earn more coin. Then you can actually gamble. I think I will need to buy um another coin, and by the time I'm buying another coin, I will actually carry you guys along. I'm going to carry you guys along when I'm buying another coin, okay? I will carry you guys along so that people can see how to buy coin and how to gamble. You can really, really make money here. Okay, so in order not to waste our time, let me take you guys through my coins. If you check my other video, I had only fewer coin, okay? It was not time for me to even withdraw. But let me click withdraw here. If I click this withdraw now, you will see that you can see I've reached withdrawal threshold, like $1 to withdraw in few. In fact, it's not even up to 2 days. It's up to 2 days, and it's because I'm not like I hardly come online here, oh, guys. I hardly come online here because I'm choked with work, going to my working place and do some other thing. I don't even have time. I have another message now. Okay. And then when I reach 0.5, they told me that I've reached my withdrawal threshold. I can withdraw, but I decided to accumulate up to $1 because they take 30% fee. You understand your withdrawal fee. So since it's just 0.5, what will I be doing with a few like them taking their 30%? So how much is remaining for me? That is why I decided to wait. And I we continue to wait till at least $5 and hey, $10. That is good. Okay. So that is it. If I want to withdraw now, I will just hit like this $1, which is 3,200 diamond for $1. I will just click it. So after I click it, you can see online withdrawal method. So this is the online withdrawal method, ePay. So I'll be creating account on ePay, step by step guide for you guys. So in case you reach your withdrawal threshold and you want to withdraw. And one beautiful part about this website is that they said no minimum withdrawal, and their maximum withdrawal is $2,000, guys. What are you waiting for 2,000 when you have $10? Would you withdraw? Okay. Oh. So I can't even wait for $2,000. Immediately I hit $5 or $10, I will make it my withdrawal, and I'm going to carry you guys along. So if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what is happening, and I don't know why you don't want to subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of valuable content to offer you. So please do well to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any of my video. And by you liking this video, YouTube is going to show it to more people. That shows you are telling YouTube that yes, this video, it's you gain value from it, and they're going to push it out to those that actually need it. So please, my people, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss my amazing updates. Okay, so in my next video, I will be showing you guys how to gamble. I will be showing you guys how to recharge. I've recharged through Google Play, but Google Play is expensive, so I will be doing my next recharge using ePay, and you must have an ePay account. So I'll be showing you guys ePay accounts and how to create it. Okay, so that is how it is. And another thing before I forget, every time people message you, you have 16 diamond, right? Now if the conversation keep going, it will increase from 16 to 24 24 diamond. And that is why I will tell you this: please don't follow any guy on this platform if really you want to make that money from those guys, because they will actually want you to follow them. Okay, don't follow them, because anybody you follow, any guy you follow, you won't earn money from them, because the system automatically classify both of you as mutual friends. Okay, so you won't be charging them. So don't follow any guy, just chat them, let them chat you. Anyone that likes you can keep the conversation going, and then you'll be making your money as they chat you. But please don't follow any guy. Okay, don't follow any guy here. And then the only people you should follow is females. Follow females and ask them to follow you back. Okay, so that is how it is. I have another message, let me reply fast. Now this one I've delayed. Now you can see my diamond reduced to 14 diamonds instead of 16 because I delayed in replying that message. Okay, so that is it for this app. This app is very, very good. So please do well to like, do well to subscribe. Thank God this video is not too long for you to watch. So please, I'll be giving you guys my next update about this amazing app. Okay, so thank you. See you next time, my next video. Bye.